Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Sonic with a new best amazing project where you can get a huge potential profit, and the token name is Soul Factory fair launch that is upcoming. I am going to share each and everything. How can you store this token into your wallet, and you can also buy this token on the pink sale. Like pre-sale is upcoming and it will be started after 1 day, and this is best opportunity. I will suggest that you should take part in it. You have to be ready your mind, and you can also ready your asset for this pre-sale, and this will be very beneficial for you because this is the opportunity. I will suggest don't miss out, because here is a huge potential profit, near about 2000x profit. Once you have do your investment in this project, then you can also change your life. This is life changing opportunity on the Soul Factory token that has been made on Solana, and I am going to share because I am also by myself investment safe investment in this project, and there you can also check out some decentralized finance feature in it. I will cover all these type of detail that you should need to know. Why you have to invest, what are the things that make your thoughts that you should take invest in this project, because there is also swapping option, like you can swap at any time you want to take your money back, then is also available. And here is also create, receive, send or more. All these feature on Soul Factory can also be get experienced. There is also a team that is working for the security measures, and this is also audited by cyber. Like here you can also get their audit report that is verified, and this will also show the legacy and transparency security of the project that is very safe. So that's why I am also suggesting to you, because there this is secure platform with huge potential profit. And not only this, there you can also get some decentralized features that will also make it more like a gem that you have to join and grab this opportunity. So before starting this video properly, if you are new on my YouTube channel Sonic, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. All this type of link will be provided in video description, so that you can explore to get all these type of websites in which you can participate, you can explore, so that you can make money. This is the pink sale. Like there you are going to participate on the pre-sale that will be start after 1 day, and there you can check out the countdown had been started. And now you can check out here, you have to put the Solana, you have to connect your Phantom wallet, then you have to buy some Solana in it, and then you have to put the amount that you are going to invest at that place. You have to click on the buy with Soul, and it will be done in the public sale. Your participation will be completed, and after this pre-sale you will receive the token into your Phantom wallet. So this is the method, and you can also get some basic information, like they are going to list this token on Radium website as this pre-sale will be end. So here you can also check out the total tokenomics, the token contacted, all this type of basic detail about the Soul Factory token. Now you are going to get some information on their main home interface, and this is also our website official page, where you can check out the token name is SFT, like Soul Factory. This is based on Solana. As you know, Solana is better currency in this cryptocurrency ecosystem, with a stable and having a huge potential. And many investors also like to invest in Solana, because this is also fast growing community ever I have seen. And here you can also check out, this is working on the Web3 decentralized finance. So you have to create a Solana factory powered by Soldex. This is also supported by Phantom wallet too, that is also credible and working on the global level with a million of people to get trust on it. So at the next you can check out some detail about their quick links, like you have to explore something about their project, then you have to check out, like here there is a home official page. You have to check out their product that will urge you to invest in this project, and you will get some transparency on it. There is Soul Factory DEX. When you have to click on it, this is swapping interface, where you can also check out, there you have to connect your wallet. Like here you can choose Phantom wallet or MetaMask. So I will suggest you have to take first as the Phantom wallet, where you have to give the password, and then you can also click on the next option So once it will be done, you have to click on the Solana and connect, and it will be connected successfully. Now you can also check out, like you are going to buy the Solana, then in place of USDT, then you have to give the number that you want to take the Solana on it. In this way you can participate in their Sol factory, and here not only this one, you are going to check out the rate, price, impact and minimum received amount also on it. And next you can check out some detail about that their token holder wallet is also upcoming soon it will be provided, and you can also hold this Sol factory token into their specific wallet that will work on also decentralized. If you want to check out that how much transaction has been done on this to carry this token, to hold this token, then you can check out some information about this. You can also search the transaction by TXN ID, block ID or tokens, and you can also get their solar proof like their audit report that is also secured and has been passed on 17 July 2024. So here is the content that you should need to know about the legacy, about the project, basic information that has been passed now. So here you can check out a complete information about their overview, and if you have any question or query related to this project, then you can ask in their comment box. And there is also a community group membership there, you have to join them so that you can contact with their admins. And here you can also follow them on their social media link. I will suggest that you should take part in it. There is also official Twitter profile, so you have to work for the future income and don't miss out this opportunity. You have to ready your asset to participate in their pre-sale too. See you soon next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.